I'm Corey Schmitz from PhotographingSpace.com. I'm going to show you how to use the ClariSKY Photoshop Action Pack for astrophotography. You can download ClariSKY at PhotographingSpace.com. The first thing we need to do is install ClariSKY. So find the zip file that you downloaded from PhotographingSpace.com and expand it. Inside the folder is the action file itself, .atn, the installation instructions, the FAQ, and the license file. The file that we care about the most right now is the ATN file, the action itself. Then go to Photoshop and open up the image that you think you finished and that you want to add a few finishing touches to with the actions. What you do then is you go into the Actions menu over here. You open it up and then you open up the menu there. You click Load Actions and you navigate to where you just expanded the zip file. Find the ATN file, which is the action, and click Open. And that's all there is to it. You'll see ClariSKY. Inside the folder are all the iterations. There's 5 levels of ClariSKY. You can use any of the 5 on your image, and they are just different levels of clarity that will not wreck the detail and that will maintain the stars. So what I like to do is first select the layer that I want to apply my actions to, then select ClariSKY All to run all 5 iterations at once, just so I can see what it looks like and give me a starting point. So select ClariSKY All and then press play. Wait a little while and all 5 iterations will show up as layers. You can choose which one you want to use from 1 to 5, and that'll give you a starting point. So first let's start with 1. It's just a slight bit of clarity. I don't think that's good enough. ClariSKY 2, a little bit more of clarity. ClariSKY 3, even more. ClariSKY 4, and now you can see those Milky Way details really start to pop. And then 5, and that's quite a bit. Now, every image is going to be different, and so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start with ClariSKY 3 because it's right in the middle, and I'm going to toggle the visibility on and delete the other layers. So now I'm going to start with ClariSKY 3 as my starting point, and I'm going to apply another iteration of ClariSKY, and let's start with ClariSKY 2. So I select my ClariSKY 3 layer, select the ClariSKY 2 action, press play. That will add a new layer over here called ClariSKY 2, and I can see what I've done to my image between the two. I actually think that's pretty good, but I want to do one more just to try. So I'm going to select the most recent layer, ClariSKY 2, select ClariSKY 1 just for a little bit more, and press play. And that's all there is to it. So I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to stop here. I'm going to turn off the visibility of these other temporary layers, and then I'm going to toggle the visibility of my most recent ClariSKY layer in the background to see what they look like. So that's the difference between the two. And there you have your final image.